should have sound effects.
Wow.
You gotta dive, dude. You gotta dive.
Not enough room in here.
He's going into the big tank now.
Don't hit the tree.
Just don't scare my fish with it.
Where's Izzy?
Scare Izzy all you want, but don't scare my fish.
Oh, don't hit the tree.
And now he's clear.
Look at them all.
That is so cool.
That's gonna be on YouTube.
Can you dive?
Shark in front of the Christmas tree. I love it.
I think it got jammed.
Who's driving it? Owen.
Hold on.
Can you get it over?
Alright, there you go. Now try. Can you push it forward to make it dive? There you go.
Alright, now bring him up, bring him up. Is she scared? Oh, you're
No,
scared.
the other way, the other way. Up,
I
up.
can't.
No.
No.
I can't trust.
That was really cool.
Oh, he was doing so good.
Fly around, dude.
Uh-oh.
I know.
Oh.
Broke his fin.
You can make him climb without touching him.
I know. I'm taking him this way. I can't make him go.
That's incredible.
Well, if you think that's how they really swim in the water, so it makes sense that it'll actually make him move.
That's pretty damn cool. Who's driving it?
Oh,
Owen.
Owen.
He hasn't got his license yet. He's like, the door! The door!
Sharks can't back up. They don't have a backup button.
Jared, the doors!
Upstairs, have a
See if you can control him to go upstairs on.
I'm gonna get him in the doors.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I
Guys, Jared, you're blocking the view.
I gotta get a video of this from the stars.
Uh-oh. Go down.
Right.
Go down.
Go up.
Oh, and you don't need to take the
Hold on.
stairs. Just go up this way.
Ah.
Oh! Oh, here, Owen, I'll fix it.
Why?
Owen, can
He's an amputee.
Here, ready? It's the bottom one. I gotta get to it.
I'm gonna play.
Look like it flies up and you can't get it down.
Yeah, Owen, you gotta give it a little bit.
I know.
It takes a wee bit of patience.
Oh,
Bring
crap.
it up here.
I know.
Alright, Owen, see if you can turn it around. You get to go up the stairs.
It's not working.
But it's not working.
It's floating up. It's good.
Can you turn it around?
That would be bad
That's
if it
right.
got stuck up here.
There you go.
That was working.
You can't turn it though?
No.
Keep it like
I
that.
can.
Oh, look at that thing.
It's coming to get me.
Somewhere buried behind the deer. Yeah, where the kids can find him.
Don't touch it.
It touched my face.
It's gonna eat you. Oh, no, it's coming towards me.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
I stand in my spot.
Oh, the shark doesn't.
He swims his spot.
Oh, you gotta dive, dude.